After discussing about the motion and rest, now let us discuss about the different types of motion. Basically, if a body is in motion, that can be broadly divided into two types. One is translatory, and the second is periodic. So basically, motion is divided into two types. One is translatory, second is periodic. Now, the translatory motion is further divided into two types. First one is the distance, and second one is the displacement. So, translatory motion is divided into two types, distance and displacement. Similarly, periodic motion also divided into two groups, two types. One is oscillatory, and the second is rotatory. So, translatory motion is divided into two types, distance displacement. Periodic motion is divided into two types, oscillatory and rotatory. Oscillatory motion, otherwise called as vibratory motion, and rotatory motion, otherwise called as circular motion. This is the broad classification of different types of motion. After that, let us discuss about translatory motion and what is the distance and what is displacement.